Feeling tight, dull, or flaky kahit may moisturizer ka na? That's your skin's way of telling you kulang pa sa nourishment. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Dry skin means your barrier is compromised. Hindi lang siya about kulang sa tubig, pero kulang sa lipids that lack the moisture in. That's why you need a rich, moisture-lock cream that deeply hydrates and repairs. Look for ingredients like ceramides, squalane, or hyaluronic acid, and always apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp para matrap ang hydration. When your barrier is restored, your skin naturally becomes soft, plump, and glowing. No more tightness and no more flaking. Follow me for more skin science content and learn how to choose the right moisturizer that truly heals dry skin.